In this tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up the development environment and in registering a user. It's a simple process, and for this tutorial, we'll assume that you already have the HashiCorp Vault binary in your system's path. Displayed is the commit hash I'm currently working with. Open your terminal and navigate to the project root directory. Change to the plugin directory by running cd plugin. Run the following command to set up the environment: make setup. Open a new terminal window, change to the client directory, cd client. Start the development server by running npm run dev. This will launch the client-side app locally. Open the third terminal window, run the command make login. This will generate a vault token for the user Steven. Copy this token as you'll need it for the next step. Open your browser and navigate to localhost. Click on the register button. Paste the vault token into the provided field and enter a password. Click register to create your user account. After registering, you'll be taken to the secret key screen. This key will be used in combination with your password to unlock your password manager. The secret key is stored in local storage, so it's important to keep it safe. If it gets removed from local storage, you'll need the secret key to regain access. Now, let's unlock the password manager. In local storage, we store your login information along with your private and public keys. The key pair is stored while developing on localhost because any change in the UI will reload the web page. And if we do not store the key pair, you'll need to unlock the password manager each time you save a client file. Finally, let's create a password entry. As you do this, you can open the Network tab in your browser's developer tools to see the network requests that are made. You'll notice a register request, a key request for creating the bundle symmetric key, a few metadata entries requests, and a password entry request.